Welcome students of MBA. Different competitive exam. This average chapter is common to many competitive exams. Very simple chapter. You must be studying very hard. Inside home, locked. Because lockdown in the city, everywhere. Yeah. So I am helping you to solve these types of sums. Okay? Not very difficult. If you solve just with cool mind, be calm, the sums are very easy. Okay? Any doubt? There is comment box. Write, type. Ask me, I am there to solve. I am there to help you. Okay? See, first sum I am giving you. A person covers half journey at 60 km per hour. First speed is given. Total journey, half journey at 60 km per hour. Okay? Half of the remainder, remainder half, that is 1/4 journey at 30 km per hour. And the remaining, so 1/4 is remaining, 10 km per hour. Why different speeds? That is the sum. Maybe first journey by train, second by bus, third by any other bullock cart, horse cart, whatever. Okay? See. And you have to find the average speed. Now, for average speed to find, you need formula total distance upon total time. Yeah, but time nothing is mentioned. What to do? See, okay. We'll solve the sum simply. Let total distance be x. For convenience, and average speed be v. Okay? So we'll compare, we'll add. The first part, a half journey, x upon 2. X is total distance, x upon 2 is half distance. Upon speed is 60. Distance upon speed plus half, that is 1/4. X upon 4 distance at 30. And remaining also x upon 4 at 10 is equal to x upon v. This v is average speed. Total distance upon average speed. This v we have to find out. Okay. We'll level using operations in rational number. 2 will go down, x upon 120 plus x upon 34 is 120 plus x upon 10 into 440 equal to x upon v. This v we have to find. Now you see x is a common numerator. We can cancel common numerator. Right? Means dividing each term by x, then also after x cuts common numerator. So 1 upon 120 plus 1 upon 120 plus 1 upon 40 equal to 1 upon v. Now v we have to find out. The only unknown. We'll make common denominator 120. 43 is 120. 1 plus 1 plus 3. 5 upon 120 is 1 upon v. 5 ones are 5 24s are. Just cross v equal to 24 km per hour. That is your answer. You have to tick the right option. There will be 4 options. A, B, C, D, where 24 is. Don't tick wrong. You will calculate 24, tick another. No, it will go wrong. Tick also correct answer. So be calm while solving such sums. If you get nervous, you may tick wrong answer. Okay? I'm there to help you. Okay, simple. We'll go ahead with the next sum. Okay. Okay. See the sum. What is different in this sum? A team of 8 players. So which game it is? You shouldn't think which game it is. The name of game is just to confuse you, to distract you from your focus. Your main focus is to find out the answer. Okay? Whatever be the game, small, whatever game, you see different, you throw, that is a dartboard or any others, making simple points. Okay, whatever. See, the best player scored 85 points. If he had scored 92 points, if the average would have been 84, means average is less than 84. We don't know. But find total score. Okay, total score we have to find out. Actually, they have counted 7 points more. He scored actually 85. But they are counting it as 95 to make average 84. Getting? Okay, average. Formula standard sum of observations upon number of observations. Okay. So average is 84 equal to sum upon total players 8. So we'll get point per player. 84 into 8, that comes to 672. Sum is equal to 84 into 8 is 672. But 672 average, actually you have counted 7 points more. That main player has counted just 85, but you are taking 92. So from 672, if we subtract 7, we will get the actual score. That is a 665. Understanding? This is the answer. Find total score. You have to take the correct answer. A, B, C, D. Wasn't the sum simple? Understood? Any doubt? You ask me. Don't hesitate. I will not laugh at you. I am there to help you. Okay? I will not pull your legs. Promise. You keep on asking. More you ask, more doubts will be cleared and you will score high. That is important. You must score high in exam. Okay? So don't worry. Just keep on asking doubts. And don't be ashamed of that. Go ahead with the next sum. Okay. Okay. See the next sum. Understand carefully. Okay. See, not very difficult sum. 3 years ago, the average age of a family of 5 members is 70. Average is 17. Not all are of 17 years. Adding the sum of their ages divided by 5 to the 5 members. Then average comes as 70. Okay. After that a baby is born. But average age is same today. Today average age is same. So what is baby's age today? Understanding the sum? Somewhere baby is born. 3 years ago the average was 70. In last 3 years somewhere baby is born. Okay. So average was 70 equal to sum upon number. Sum of observation upon number of observation. 17 equal to sum upon total family members 5. 17 5s are 85 is the total sum of ages of all 5 family members. Okay. So today, after 3 years, this was 3 years ago, each one, 3 is added to everyone's age. So for 5 members, 3 into 5, 15. So today, sum is 100 years of 5 members only. Because 3 years ago it was 85 sum. But now today it is 100. Because everyone has grown 3 years. Okay, so total 15 I'm adding. Today 100. Now the baby has born. We don't know. Age of baby be X. Today. So sum becomes 100 plus X. But now one member is increased. There were 5 members, now 6. Understanding? Now 6 members. Okay. So average is equal to sum upon number. Sum is now 100 plus X. Baby's age we don't know. We have to find out. Now number of members 6. But average is same today. 17 equal to 100 plus X upon 6. 17 into 6 is 102. So 100 plus X equal to 102. 100 on shifting, that side will become minus 100. 102 minus 100, X equal to 2. Answer 2 years. You have to take the correct answer. Understood properly? You have to practice such sums. In the exam, directly look at such sum. You get nervous. Simple sum. Slowly you can solve it, but you may not get enough time to solve. So practice is needed. You have to practice. Understanding? You have to practice more and more. Then in exam you do quickly and you get correct answer. Understood this sum? Practice such sums more and more. Yeah, many books are available. If you are not getting, ask me. I will explain you in simple language. Okay? We'll go ahead with the next sum. Okay. Okay. See the next sum. The average weight of ABC is 84 kg. 3 persons ABC. I am not giving any names. Okay. When D joins, the average weight is 80 kg. It is now they become 4. But average has reduced, whatever. Now weight of E is 3 more than D by 3 kg. Weight of E is more than D by 3 kg. E is little heavier. E replaces A. Now A is out and E is taken. Now average of B, C, D, E, only 4, is 79 kg. So find the weight of A. Getting A weight you have to find out. Simple sum, don't worry, very simple. Average weight, step by step we'll go. Average weight of A, B, C is 84. Okay. So A plus B plus C upon 3 equal to 84. 3 shifting that side. A plus B plus C equal to 84 into 3, that is 252. We will make this equation number 1. Understanding? Very simple. Now D had joined and average is 80. Okay. So A plus B plus C plus D, now 4 are there, upon 4 is equal to 80. 4 shifting that side, 80 into 4 is 320. But A plus B plus C is 252. So 252 plus D equal to 320. Understood this step? Okay. I replace, put from equation 1, A plus B plus C, I put 252. So A plus B plus C is 252 plus D is 320. D equal to 252 shifting that side. 320 minus 252, that comes to 68. Now we got the weight of D. But we want the weight of A. Now E is 3 more than D, 3 kg more than D. So E equal to 68 plus 3. D you know 68. So E is 3 kg more, that comes to 71 kg. Understanding? You can name 2, 3 for your convenience, your understanding at home. There you won't get this much time. There you have to be very fast. You have to be very quick. Getting? But when you practice at home, you should understand the steps. So you solve in detail. Now, the average weight, average of B, C, D, E is 79. So B plus C plus D plus E, 4 persons upon 4 equal to 79. 4 shifting that side. 4 into 79. So B plus C, D 68, E 71 equal to 4 into 79, that is 316. Okay. 68 plus 71, that comes to 139. B plus C plus 139 equal to 316. 139 I am shifting that side. So B plus C equal to 316 minus 139, that comes to 177. Now you got B plus C 177. Now you know A plus B plus C is 252. This B plus C is 177. So A plus 177, that is B plus C, equal to 252. 177 shifting that side, A is equal to 252 minus 177. And the subtraction comes to 75. And we got the answer of A equal to 75 kg. You have to take the correct answer. A, B, C, D, 4 options will be there. Understanding? Many more sums are there. Keep on practicing. I am there to help. Keep on asking. Okay? If you like this, We can continue more lecture I can take on the same chapter or whichever chapter you want. I am ready. You suggest me which you are finding difficult. I am there to help you. Okay? So if you like this, give like, share with your friends, subscribe, press bell icon to get new notifications. Okay? And one thing, I take personal tuitions 1-to-1 online. If you want to join, you give call, inquire, we can finalize time, adjustable time. Getting? And we can complete for any competitive exam, any maths, no problem. I am there. Getting at any level, give call. Okay? See you in the next video. Bye.